This is a 1/8 ounce powdered RIT, and it says that this will do 2 t-shirts. So I'm gonna just transfer that over to 1 pair of pants. And these are faded. So I'm gonna do this in the sink, and don't rip the box open because the instructions are inside of the box. So you have to pull this apart to get to the instructions. So if you just rip it open, you'll rip up your instructions, and you need a magnifying glass to see these anyway. So it'll be even harder if you rip it all up and then you're trying to put it together. So I'm gonna do this and then I'll show you after. All right, it's the next day. I hung dry them after I washed them again, and they really darkened up a lot. You can't really see through the video how it's darker in person than it is in the video. So that's why I got those socks right next to it, because those are fairly new, still dark. And it's pretty close to the same color as those. Have a great day.